Good morning and welcome to Tejasvi Lessons GK Explorer Part 8. Here is the first question on your screen. Which is the most literate state in India? Which is the most literate state in India? Option A Karnataka, B Maharashtra, C Kerala and D Tamil Nadu. Most literate state. Karnataka, Maharashtra, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. C is the correct answer. Kerala is the most literate state in India. Number 2. Who wrote the epic Ramayana? Who wrote the epic Ramayana? Option A. Vyas, B. Balmiki, C. Kalidas and D. Tulasidas. Vyasa, Balmiki, Kalidas and Tulasidas. Who wrote the epic Ramayana? B is the correct answer. Valmiki wrote Ramayana. Number 3. Who discovered penicillin? The antibiotic, the tablet, the injection we take. Penicillin. Who discovered it? Option A. Madame Curie, B. Alexander Fleming, C. Louis Pasteur and D. Robert Koch. Who discovered penicillin? Madame Curie, Alexander Fleming, Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch. B. Alexander Fleming is the correct answer. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin. Question 4. Which element has atomic number 1? Which element has atomic number 1? Option A. Helium, B. Oxygen, C. Hydrogen, D. Carbon. Element having atomic number 1. Which element? These are all elements: helium, oxygen, hydrogen and carbon. Which has the atomic number 1? Option C is the correct answer. Hydrogen has the atomic number 1. Question number 5. Which is the national flower of India? National flower. Which is the national flower of India? Option A. Rose, B. Lotus, C. Sunflower, D. Marigold. National flower of India. Rose, lotus, sunflower and marigold. It's an easy question. B is the correct answer. Lotus is the national flower of India. 6. Who wrote the book Glimpses of World History? Glimpses of World History. Who wrote it? Who wrote the book Glimpses of World History? Option A. R.N. Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Mahatma Gandhi and D. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Glimpses of World History. Who wrote it? B is the correct option. Jawaharlal Nehru wrote the book Glimpses of World History. Number 7. What is the main source of energy for Earth? Main source of energy. From where Earth gets its energy? What is the main source of energy for Earth? Option A. Wind, B. Water, C. the sun, D. the fire. Source of energy for Earth: wind, water, sun and fire. Which is the source of energy for Earth? C is the correct answer. The sun is the source of energy of the earth. Number 8. In which of the following subjects Nobel Prize is not given? Nobel Prize is not given. In which of the following subjects Nobel Prize is not given? Option A, economics, B, mathematics, C, chemistry, and D, physics. Out of these four, in which Nobel Prize is not given? Economics, mathematics, chemistry, and physics. Nobel Prize is given for economics, for chemistry, and for physics, and it is not given for mathematics. So this is the correct answer. Nobel Prize is not given for mathematics. Number 9. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution has the provision of election commission? Election commission. Which article describes election commissions? Its power and provisions. Election commission. Which article of the Constitution? Indian Constitution, which article provision of election commission is there? In which article? Option A, Article 320, B, Article 322, C, Article 324, D, Article 326. Election Commission article of Indian Constitution, in which article the Indian Constitution has the provision of election commission? Article 324C is the correct answer. Article 324 is the correct answer. Number 10. Which of the following causes is responsible for rise in sea level? Rise of water level in the sea. That is rise in sea level. Which causes the rise in sea level? Ozone layer depletion, option A. B, monsoon rains. C, melting of polar ice cap. D, continental drift. Which of these reasons causes rise in sea level? Sea level. Water level of the sea increases year by year. The level of water in sea is increasing. Which causes it? Ozone layer depletion, monsoon rain, melting of polar ice cap, or continental drift. So C is the correct answer. It is melting of polar ice. So this is the end of part 8 of GK Explorer. Goodbye and good luck.